Now, the legal fraternity and the general public can now access up-to-date laws of Kenya in a centralized repository. President William Ruto, who launched the 24th annual supplement of the laws of Kenya, underscored the importance of upholding the rule of law, as he commended the National Council for Laws Reforms for coming up with a central repository of all legal reforms that are also digitized.
Nearly 30 years since review of the annual supplement laws of Kenya, President William Ruto has launched the 24th annual supplement, thereby giving Kenyans access to all enacted and reviewed legal reforms between 1995 and 2022.
It is imperative, therefore, that our laws reflect our nation's dynamism. As our society evolves, so must our laws.
To ensure adequate legal representation of the people of Kenya and the government, the President further promised to enhance facilitation for the Office of the Attorney General.
For a very long time, the office has been understaffed, undercapacitated, and we are paying a very high price. We are going to do something about the Office of the Attorney General by way of empowering it and giving it substantial capability to be able to handle matters legal for the people of Kenya and for the government of Kenya.
The head of state further hailed the National Council for Legal Reforms for digitizing the annual supplement, which is aligned to the bottom-up economic transformative agenda.
The work they have done is world-class. The supplement ensures that our legal framework remains effective and accessible to all Kenyans. In particular, this edition also features a body of laws that have been aligned with the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, anchoring our ambition and our ambitious vision for national development on a sound legal basis.
The President's remarks were echoed by the Attorney General Justin Muturi, the Chief Justice Martha Koome, and the Chief Executive Officer Kenya Law, Professor Jack Mwimale.
I have received over 10 delegations from the continent coming to understand the Kenya law. We have trained many jurisdictions on how they can establish their own reporting system. So what we have here today, Your Excellency, is a world-class organization.
And as we launch it, we believe that it is an onset of a documentation of the laws so that the Republic is governed with certainty.
As it has been mentioned that this work has been done by Kenya Law, but the state agency itself is the National Council for Law Reporting.
The 24th annual report contains the Constitution of Kenya for the first time since its promulgation in 2010, 259 statutes enacted in 1995, 126 revised editions of statutes since 1995, a new revised edition of the Accumulative Index, a table of contents which features a list of East African legislation and supplements of the chronological table. Serafina Nairobi for Prime Edition.